Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an image ID or picture frame code for the Squid Game Player and Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. And Grow a Garden 2, there is a new item which is called the picture frame, and you can get the picture frame from this picture frame crate. You can buy it from the props store or props shop in Grow a Garden 2, and from this crate you can either get the small one, the big one, or the mega one. And I got the small picture frame, and I've already placed in my garden. And then we need to put ID if you want to get an image, and if you want to get the Squid Game Player image, you can put this ID. Okay, this one guys, and after you put this ID or this code, you will get this Squid Game Player. And I think it's really fun because each ID will give a unique picture for your picture frame crate. Okay guys, and that's how you can get Squid Game Player picture frame in Grow a Garden 2 with a code. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!